Hi, I'm Vivian. Today I will share with you how to make a little bear. Prepare a balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Reserve 5 to 10 fingers on the tail. Knot it. Roll it out from beginning to end. Make a single bubble of 3-finger width. Hold it between your fingers. Then make a single bubble of 1-finger width. And a single bubble of 3-finger width. Then a single bubble of 1-finger width. Then a single bubble of 3-finger width. Then a single bubble of 1-finger width. Then a single bubble of 3-finger width. Connect them. Notice which location I'm connecting to. Then grab this big bubble and stuff it in. Turn around. Twist the 2 single bubbles into ear bubbles. Hold and twist it. Straighten the ears. This is the front. This is the back. All right, bear's head is done. Make a single bubble of 3-finger width. Then make a single bubble of 1-finger width. Then make a single bubble of 1-finger width. Then make a single bubble of 3-finger width. Connect them. Make a single bubble of 2-finger width. Turn around. Make a single bubble of 2-finger width. Hold and squeeze the balloon and rotate it at the same time. Our little bear is completed. Follow me for more balloon designs.